Hello again. I've got an interesting little thing to show you that I found. Now this is for cleaning AirPods, Buds 2, any sort of in-ear earphones. There's two different styles. This is the first one, and this one has a slider that you can slide both ways. This way you've got a little brush, and it's for cleaning inside the actual port, the hole that the AirPod's going to. And you can clean all around here with it as well. There we go. So it takes away any dust, lint, debris, greasiness. And it does a very, very good job as well. And you can use it for cleaning all sorts of parts of the actual case itself. You can even use it for cleaning out the little holes inside the AirPod Pro. There we go, all nice and clean. Right, so I'll just show you the close-up of the little brush. It's like Alcantara type material. It's like a very miniature toilet brush or something. I don't know, it's weird. Right, I'll show you this one as well. This is the other end of it. So it's like a fountain pen. It looks like a little miniature fountain pen that you can write with. And this is for cleaning out the tips of the earpiece. You just be delicate. And underneath that you've got like a little toothbrush which is made of very fine nylon hairs, and that's for cleaning, again, it's for cleaning the part that goes into your ear. The little mesh parts on the EarPods and AirPods. Right, so two different styles, they both do the same sort of thing, very good at cleaning them, and it will clean AirPods, Buds 2, any sort of in-ear listening devices. Right, you could also use it for other things, of course. Doesn't really matter, you can use them for any of these. Right, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.